guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I make cheese, but it's potato chips that I didn't show you because I just really just on YouTube.
Akin na yung kukunin ko yung piprituhin. Kunin ko.
Okay. Iwa!
Yung manok hindi na.
Hindi na.
Tupo ato eh. Ay, hindi. Piprituhin ko na ito lahat.
So, I did this cheese with lace. Yeah. So first you need lace. It's up to you if it's full or just a little bit. But there's an option too. I think you can also smash it too. Here or here in this one because I'm already a kid, so. And then you need a lot of cheese because it's gonna be wholesome flavor. And then you need sugar. And then you have to put hot water in here. If it's if you still not eat your lace, that means you need to pull it very yeah, like here, I think. And then wait, first you need to smash the chips, and then you need to put the water. Then you need a lot of cheese, and then you need to put a little bit of sugar, and you have to mix it for about many things. Myself, I just mix it so many I mix it in like, I don't know, maybe 20 or 30, I guess. Make sure it's fully right. I'm sorry if this looks disgusting. It's very yummy. But anyways, that's all, I guess, and I hope you subscribe and like, I guess.